And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. And I did what I had to do, and I saw it through without exemption. And I planned each charted course, each careful step along life's byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and I'd spit it out. But I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I loved, I laughed, I cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing. Just to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my way. What are we all? What have you got? If not yourself, then you have not. Just say the things that you truly feel, and not the words of someone who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. I did it my